Hi, welcome to SolidCam. In this video, we will look at Rotary Finishing 4-axis. Rotary Finishing 4-axis is a very powerful operation in which you can finish components that are rotating around a particular axis. It's a simple finishing operation in which you have got two kind of strategies. One is along the rotary axis or around a rotary axis. So here we have got a roller that has got a design on it, and we would like to finish this after roughing it with a particular tool. Finishing in the first one, in this case we can see that we have defined the part, so it's the complete part that is defined, and the tool that has been defined is a tapered ball nose, and the strategy is along the rotary axis. So in this case the tool will move parallel to x-axis because x-axis is the rotary axis in this case, and the step over is basically divided, or basically it's given as a angle here. Instead of step over, we define the angle. So 360 degrees is divided by 0.5 degrees, so you get approximately 720 passes. So how is this going to look like? The toolpath looks like that. So you have got the tool that's moving around the x-axis, and this is how it will do it. So it will keep moving around or the part will keep rotating around x-axis, and the tool will start moving only parallel to x-axis. The best part with rotary finishing is that if you are using, let's say, a bullnose tool, you could actually offset or give a shift from the center and use the side of the tool to do the finishing rather than the tip itself. So this is the along method, and the next one is around the method. So if I run the simulation of this, and you can see that it's rotating around the part or around the axis, in this case x-axis. So it's like winding a kind of a spring that is around x-axis with a particular step over. So rotary finishing is actually a very powerful function for finishing jewelry items, or let's say a core which has got design on it, parts like these, and it offers a very simple finishing technique either along or around the particular axis. Thank you very much for watching this video.